Hello friends, today we'll make a herbal medicine candy.
Why we use that?
Because if you cough and sneeze in a runny nose, it'll help you to make it better.
And it's helpful in sore throat also?
Yeah.
Cure the sore throat?
Yes, it'll make it nice and better. Friends, this is the ingredients to mix, okay? Good. We need this ginger juice, honey, sugar, black pepper, and this is turmeric. And this one is a basil. Friends, basil called tulsi leaf. Look, friends, this one is tulsi leaf. Good?
Have to mix all those?
Yeah. Let's mix this.
So now we will mix all the ingredients together in this bowl, right?
Yes.
So mix it. What's that? Is it?
That's a honey.
Yes, we need a little more honey.
Good. This.
What's that?
That's a sugar.
Yes. Now next one.
Friends, see what? Look, what is it? It's nice. And friends, if after mixing, we have to boil it. We need parents' help. We have to keep stirring on medium flame.
See, Ansh, our candy is about to
Good.
get ready, right?
Yes,
It's getting more thick and thick. It's looking nice, isn't it? So now it's time to put it in a
baking paper. The candy is ready. We have to wait for till it's cold or dry. You have to wrap it, then put it in jar, okay? Candy is ready.
great job, Ansh.
Thank you.
So today you share your recipe of herbal medicine
Yeah.
candy with your friends, right? So you enjoyed it?
Yeah.
Is it tasty?
Yeah. I made nicer. It's tastier.
Oh.
I just nicer. Friends, if you like the channel, don't forget to like, share. Give me a big thumbs up and like the channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.